Good morning, good morning everyone, it is the last full day of Japan and Tokyo and we are leaving tomorrow morning and we still have to do some packing, but before that we will go to Harajuku once more. I'm wearing the same outfit as I wore at Shibuya because I'm super lazy and I don't want to go through all that to find anything decent to wear. So we are leaving in a moment. It's pretty late actually. I love how my outfit is like lace and everything pretty, and then there's my shoes. We just came back to our Airbnb for a while, just to draw our shoppings away, and now we are going back to Shibuya to do some last minute shopping. I also want something from the Little store that weren't at Harajuku, so we will go there. So it's very cute, it's like, but I have no money left. I only have 5,000 yen left. And then there's me. I'm weak. Where's your Yoshi? We started packing about 3 hours ago and we are this far. I've gotten most of my clothes inside this. About 12 right now. We will have to leave somewhere around 5 and it's 12 and we will still need to pack for many hours, so it's gonna be so much fun. This is the this is the food, so I just she really likes this ramen, so she bought like many packages. 12 packages of them and just, oh my god. It's angry because it's weird. It's 3 AM. You're still packing. I actually finished my packing. I'm eating last of my chips and so is still struggling. And we have 2 hours before we have to leave. That's so beautiful. We are too tired to leave. It's fucking 4 in the morning and we are leaving in an hour. So we're back in Finland and we've got our bags, and mine didn't blow up there. I used some tape to fix it. I made it to my mom's place finally after struggling with these bags. Like, why did I buy so much? Because that was what we were there for. And I just realized that my mom's garden, they had this cute little flowers there. It's so cute. Okay, that was awkward. There was some random neighbor and yeah, yes, but we're here. I got here and I still have this much stuff left from when I was at the internship thing in here in Helsinki, and I have to carry those back to Lahti someday. But I will have like at least 2 or 3 weeks of vacation from this. Whee!